Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho Books to PayPal for reconciliation workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Zoho Books to PayPal for reconciliation workflows, begin by logging into your Zoho Books account. Navigate to the Settings section located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, choose the Integrations option. Look for the Payment Gateway section and click on it. In the Payment Gateway section, find PayPal and select the Connect button. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal account credentials and click Login. After logging in, you may be prompted to grant access to Zoho Books. Review the permissions and click Agree to allow the connection. Return to Zoho Books, where you should see a confirmation that your PayPal account is now connected. Now, go to the banking module found in the left sidebar. Select Bank Accounts to see your connected accounts. Click on Add Bank Account to connect your PayPal account. Choose PayPal from the list of available banks. Fill in the necessary details, such as the account name and opening balance. Once you have entered the information, click on Save to confirm. You will now see your PayPal account listed under the banking module. Next, go to the Transactions section within the banking module. Here, you can import transactions from your connected PayPal account. Choose the date range for the transactions you wish to import. Click on the Import button to fetch transactions. After the import, your transactions will appear in a list. Review the transactions for accuracy and categorization. To reconcile your transactions, go to the Reconcile option in the banking module. Select your PayPal account from the drop-down menu for reconciliation. Click on the Start Reconciling button to begin the process. Match your imported transactions with the statements from PayPal. Resolve any discrepancies by categorizing or editing the transactions as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.